Dive headlong into understanding. Dive headlong into. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive headlong into a fascinating English phrase. Dive headlong into. This phrase is not only picturesque but also widely used in both formal and informal English. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means, how to use it, and we'll also look at some examples to make everything crystal clear. So, let's get started. The phrase, dive headlong into, is a vivid expression used to describe someone who starts something with great enthusiasm and without hesitation. It conjures up the image of someone diving into water head first, which symbolizes a full and immediate commitment to an activity or task. When you dive headlong into something, you're giving it your all, often without worrying too much about the consequences or challenges ahead. Let's break down the phrase to better understand its components. Dive. This verb suggests a sudden or decisive action. Headlong. This adverb describes the manner of the dive, with the head leading the way, implying both speed and a lack of caution. Together, they create a metaphor for embarking on a new venture with determination, eagerness, and sometimes, recklessness. Dive headlong into can be used in various contexts, from starting a new project at work, embarking on a personal hobby, or even jumping into a new relationship. Here are some examples to illustrate its use. After years of hesitation, she dived headlong into entrepreneurship, opening her own cafe. He dived headlong into studying for the exams and managed to pass with flying colors. The community dived headlong into preparations for the annual festival, making it the biggest one yet. Notice how in each example, the phrase captures both the enthusiasm and the comprehensive involvement of the subject in the activity. While dive headlong into is a flexible phrase, it's important to use it in contexts that imply a significant commitment or a start of something substantial. It's less appropriate for trivial or casual activities. For instance, saying, I dove headlong into making dinner, might not capture the phrase's full depth, unless making dinner involved a significant or unusual effort. Thank you for joining us as we explored the meaning and usage of dive headlong into. We hope this video helps you understand how to use this expression effectively in your own English conversations and writings. Remember, language is about painting pictures with words, and phrases like these add color and depth to our communications. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more English language learning tips. Until next time, keep diving headlong into your language learning journey.